In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Gumroad with a custom API workflow in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Gumroad allows you to build custom automations using its API and webhooks system. This lets you create advanced workflows such as sending emails, updating databases, granting course access, managing memberships, or connecting external applications automatically. Now, if you want to integrate Gumroad with a custom API workflow, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your account settings and open the Advanced or API section. After that, generate or copy your API key or access token because this will allow your custom application to communicate with your Gumroad account securely. Then, create a webhook or ping endpoint inside your Gumroad settings. This webhook will send event data automatically whenever actions happen such as new sales, refunds, subscriptions, or membership updates. After that, configure your backend server or automation platform to receive the webhook data. You can use your own server, cloud functions, or automation tools depending on your workflow setup. Then, process the webhook events inside your application. For example, you can automatically send emails, update customer databases, grant membership access, trigger notifications, or connect other external systems. You can also use platforms such as Zapier together with webhooks if you want a simpler automation setup without building everything manually. After that, test your API workflow carefully to confirm webhook events are received and processed correctly. Make sure your server returns a successful response such as 200 OK because failed responses may stop webhook deliveries. Usually, custom API workflow issues happen because of invalid API keys, incorrect webhook URLs, server configuration errors, or failed authentication settings. So carefully review your integration setup before going live. That's it. By connecting Gumroad with your custom API workflow properly, you can automate advanced business processes and build powerful integrations successfully.